Right. See, there are various kinds of geometries. What we learned in the beginning, that means 8th or 9th class, it is called plane geometry.
Yes, sir.
In the geometry, no x-axis, y-axis, only triangle, circles, parallelogram, square, rectangle, those type of diagrams only introduced.
Yes, sir.
After that, in 11th or 12th or 10th, we learned x-axis, y-axis.
Yes, sir.
This geometry is called coordinate geometry.
Yes, sir.
In a higher level, we will learn all this plane geometry and coordinate geometry. All this is called Euclidean geometry.
Yes, sir.
Because father of geometry is known as Euclid. Euclid is supposed to be the father of geometry. Yes. Geometry is called coordinate. After that, in higher levels, you will learn non-Euclidean geometry also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyhow, in plane geometry, we learned that the area of triangle formula is half into base into height.
Yes, sir.
Area of triangle formula half into base into height. That is basic formula.
Yes, sir.
It is a triangle. Its formula half into base into height.
Yes, sir.
Of course, we will be learning this formula also. We will using this formula also. After that, we will learn. We learned area of equilateral triangle. What
Yes,
is
sir.
equilateral triangle? Root 3/4 a square.
Yes, sir.
And its side is given. Where a is length of its side, right?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes instead of giving side, height, that means the altitude may be given. That means it is equilateral triangle. In this equilateral triangle, this is called side. This is side A.
Yes, sir.
If side is given, its area is root 3/4 a square, right?
Yes, sir.
Instead of side, sometimes height is given. It is height. When height is given or a height is known, area of this triangle formula, it is called altitude or height.
Yes, sir.
It is altitude or height. Formula to find the area of equilateral triangle when height is given is h square by root 3.
No, 3. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's about coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, 3 vertices, that means coordinates of 3 vertices are given. Coordinates of 3 vertices are given. For example, generally 3 coordinates are this need not be equilateral or isosceles or general triangle.
Yes, sir.
A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3.
Yes, sir.
Remember the point that vertices are denoted by capital letters only, big letters only. Small letters are not used to denote sides, sorry, vertices.
Yes, sir.
On the other hand, small letters, small a, small b, small c are used to denote the sides, length of sides.
Yes.
Length of sides are denoted by small letters. That means small a, small b, small c. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that means side AB is small c, side BC is small a, because it is opposite to the vertex A, right? It is called small a side BC, because this side is opposite to angle A.
Yes, sir.
What is side AC? Small
So 1 second, sir.
side AC.
Oh. It's a small b, sir.
Very good. Small AB.
Small c.
That's good. Right. Now, actual original formula, that is traditional formula to find the area of triangle is of mod of. Why mod is used here?
So because the measurement can be negative.
First point, area is non-negative. Area cannot be negative.
Yes.
That's why mod is used. Of
Yes.
mod of x1 times y2 minus y3 plus x2 times y3 minus y1 plus x3 times y1 minus y2. Have you understood the pattern in the formula? 1, 2, 3. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2.
Yes.
It is cyclic. That means if it is 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3. If starts from 1, then remaining 2 are 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
If you start with the 2, the remaining 2 are 3, 1.
Yes, sir.
If you start with 3, remaining 2 are 1, 2. It is the
1, 2.
pattern. Okay. The formula follows a pattern, particular pattern. For example, index of x is 1, then indexes of y are 2 and 3, right?
Yes, sir.
It is very easy to remember.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can use this formula to find the area of triangle. Or if you want to do it in a simple way, this formula is used. Off into det of it is det of in matrices.
Yes.
I think you know det, right?
Yes.
X1
Yes.
y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Don't forget to write to add mod at the end.
Yeah.
If it is positive, no need to worry. If this value is positive, no need to worry. Wherever, if this value, the value of this determinant is negative, don't forget to put mod, right?
Yes, sir.
Next one, it is a very simplified form. The simplest form is this. Of into mod of x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. Of course, you may change this formula. In this formula, x is taken as base. Can you write another formula in this way? Of into mod of
y1. Oh.
x2 minus x3, x2 minus x1. Here, x1 is taken as base. Index 1. One index is taken as base. It's not compulsory. It's not mandatory to take one as base. You may take base C. If you take x2 as base, that means x2 is starting. That is x2 minus x3, x2 minus x1. Can you expect why?
So isn't it x2 minus x3?
Sorry. x2 minus x3, x2 minus x1, right? What about y terms? Second column?
y2 minus y3?
y2 minus y1. Okay.
Minus y1.
Of course, you must start with x3 also. Of into x3 minus x1.
x3 minus x2.
And y3 minus y1.
Minus y1, y3 minus y2.
Surprisingly, all these three give same answer. Right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, same can be expressed in a direct way. Without using matrix concept, if you want to find area in a simple way, The same can be written like this. This into this minus this into this. Tell of into mod of x1 minus x2 into
y1 minus
3
y3
minus
y1 minus y2 times x1 minus x3.
yeah. That's it. Understand that same also can be written like this 1 by 2 times x1 minus x2 x1 minus x3 y1 minus y2 y1 minus y3.
Yes.
What's the difference between them? First, this is called first column. First column is written changed as first row.
Yes.
Second column is changed as second row. X1 minus x2 y1 minus y2. Instead of that x1 minus x2 x1 minus x3. This is also correct. These are the various ways to express this formula, to write this formula, right?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
telling all these ways, all these methods, so that you can get command over this subject, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's start questions. These are the formula. Area of triangle with vertices. If one of its vertices is 0, 0, then it is so easy. The right formula is x1 y2 minus x2 y1 simply.
Yes.
And if the vertices are in this pattern a comma 1 by a, for example 2 comma 1 by 2 3 comma 1 by 3 5 comma 1 by 5 like that, right?
Yes, sir.
Then it has a simple formula mod of a minus b into b minus c into c minus a by 2abc.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's very interesting. Before going to that point, let me remind you one thing. It's a very useful point. That point is, yeah, I strongly recommend you. I strongly suggest you that whenever you have time, uh, go to our channel and pick the latest. That means your class and watch again and again.
Yes.
It helps you to understand it better.
Yes.
And the main point in this area concept is that means area is non-negative. Okay,
Yes.
that means if area is 0, then that points are collinear. That points are collinear. That means if the given points are like this, then we cannot construct a triangle with these 3 points. It's a fact, right?
Yes, sir.
If the points are like this, that means at least one of its point is non-collinear. That means out of that 2 points, it is triangle. We can find its area.
Yes, sir.
If the 3 points are exactly collinear, that means lying on the same straight line, no triangle is formed, no triangle is constructed. That's why its area is 0. Sometimes to prove that the given points are collinear, we use this concept. Area is 0. Okay. For example, instead of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, if one side is there is one unknown, that means a comma b or p comma q or something lambda, whatever may be. If one unknown is given in the 3 vertices, and to find that unknown, and we
Yes.
may ask to find that unknown by using the concept these 3 points are collinear,
Yes.
then we use any of the area formula and equate it to 0 to get that unknown, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, these are very interesting points. You know what is centroid? Can you repeat? Can you tell what centroid?
When the medians intersect at a point that is center, that
Yeah.
forms the centroid.
That means it has another name. Instead of point of intersection, we can use another name. Do you remember that name? If
It's intersection of congruent.
see. If two lines are intersecting, those lines are called intersecting lines. That point is called point of intersection.
Yes, sir.
More than two lines meet at a point. That means if
Point of congruency.
Yes, point of not congruence, concurrence. The word congruence is different from
Concurrence.
For example, if you have your photographs in different size. Sorry.
Yes.
That means if you purchase two American maps, same size.
Yes, sir.
You purchase two American maps with same size, exactly same size, not Xerox or something. That's micro Xerox or enlarged Xerox. You bought two same size American maps, right?
Yes, sir.
These two maps are congruent. These are congruent.
Yes, sir.
And sometimes if you buy, not you, a student buys a American map, and to cheat in the exams, okay, he got its micro Xerox. You know what is micro Xerox?
Yes, sir.
That means small size. Small size of the same thing, right? These are called micro Xeroxes, right? These are called similar.
Yes, sir.
These are called similar. These are called congruent.
Yes, sir.
Congruent means apart from being same in shape, they must be same in size also.
Yes, sir.
Same in shape and same in size, congruent.
Yes, sir.
Same in shape only, not in size. Those are called similar.
Yes, sir.
Similar, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, these are congruent. It is about congruent. It is called congruent, right? Now, concurrence. Concurrence is different word. If more than two lines meet at a point, then these three lines are called concurrent lines. Concurrent lines, right?
Yes, sir.
This point is called point of concurrence. Point of concurrence. If two lines meet at a point,
intersection.
Point is called point of intersection, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, centroid is point of concurrence of medians. Centroid is point of concurrence of medians, right?
Yes, sir.
Point of concurrence of medians. That is called centroid. See, it's very interesting and very useful formula. Here, triangle ABC is a triangle in a triangle. It need not be equilateral nor isosceles or right angle, whatever triangle it may be. Every triangle has centroid. Every triangle has centroid, right?
Yes, sir.
Here it is triangle ABC and G is its centroid. By joining that centroid to three vertices, we can see three inner triangles are there. With the centroid, we can form three inner triangles. Can you name them? One triangle is triangle ABG.
AGC.
Yeah, AG. Yeah, AGC. BGC, right?
Yes, sir.
And if G is centroid, then three triangles are exactly, areas of the three triangles are exactly same.
Yes, sir.
Area of triangle AGB is equal to area of triangle BGC is equal to area of triangle AGC, right?
Yes, sir.
These three are equal. For example, if each area is x, then total triangle is area is equal to 3x.
3x. Yes, sir.
So if we know the area of any of the inner three triangles formed by centroid, okay, then the total area is three times of any triangle formed by centroid, right?
Yes, sir.
So area of triangle ABC is equal to 3 times of area of triangle ABG, or 3 times of area of triangle BCG, 3 times of area of triangle AC, right?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I forgot to send the file today. Definitely, I will send that file, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's not centroid. Centroid is not here. Centroid is not mentioned.
Yes, sir.
D, E, F are midpoints. By connecting those three midpoints, we can see a white triangle. Can you see
Yes.
white triangle?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, inner white triangle, right? This white
Yes.
triangle has another name. Mathematicians name some shapes surprisingly and interestingly. As we know, step function,
Yes, sir.
ceiling function, floor function.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this white triangle is called pedal function. Pedal.
Pedal.
You know what is pedal?
Yes, sir. The
What's
cycling
pedal?
pedal.
What do you mean by pedal?
The cycling pedal or something
Right,
like
right.
that.
That's called pedal. I think that you don't know about cycle.
I know the cycles.
Yeah, in India there are some universities in which university campuses in which no motor vehicle is allowed.
Yes.
That means cycles are provided.
Yes.
Yeah, by using cycles, we can travel from one campus to another, one building to another building. Yeah.
Yes.
There are some campuses strictly to avoid pollution. Motor vehicles are not allowed. Then cycles are batteries, battery two-wheelers. Such vehicles are allowed. Yeah.
Yes.
Anyhow, pedal is a part of cycle, right? So white
Yes.
triangle is called pedal triangle. Pedal.
Yes, sir.
And surprisingly, we can see four triangles, four inner triangles, right?
Yes.
All these four are equal. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 into area of triangle AEF, 4 into so on, right? Okay. If you want to know the area of big triangle, just multiply the inner triangle by 4. Right. If you want the area of inner triangle, that means if you want to find the area of triangle AEF, it is 1/4 of the total triangle. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, it is indirect question. Actually, 3 points are given. We can find its area by using any of those those formula, right? But
Yes.
what about this? You just read once.
In a triangle ABC, A 5, 6, B -1, 4, and the centroid is at 2, 4.
Right.
Then the area of the triangle formed by the midpoints of sides of a triangle ABC is.
Right. See, and centroid 2, 4. Yeah. Triangle ABC is asked, right?
Yes, sir.
Actually, what is asked? First of all, area of this is given, right?
Yes, sir.
For that, we can join this and coordinates of ER 5, 6. Coordinates of BR -1, 4.
-1, 4.
C are coordinates of C are not mentioned, nor given, right?
Yes, sir.
We need not think about that. By using this formula, yes, green triangle. We can find the area of green triangle, right? We can find the
Yes,
area of green triangle. First of all, let's do it first. Green triangle, right? Means, yeah. Try to find the area of ABG.
yes, sir.
Do you remember that formula? ABG.
3 times triangle areas.
Yes, of course, 3 times. Area of triangle ABC is 3 times of area of triangle ABG, right? I agree. But in the first stage, in the first step, let us find area of triangle ABG. Forget
Half
about,
base times height.
yeah, very good, very good. It is off base, sorry, off times. Do you remember x1 minus x2, x1 minus
X1
x3,
minus X3.
y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3, right?
Yes.
Tell x1 minus x2 means, for example, 5, 6 are x1, y1, minus 4, -1, 4 are x2, y2, 2, 4 are x3 by 3. Tell x1 minus x2 means 5 minus of
6.
-1, 5 plus 1.
Yes, sir. 6. 5 plus 1.
Next, down element,
X.
x1 minus x3. 5 minus 2.
Oh, yes, sir.
It is 5 minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Next, y1
6
minus y2.
minus 4.
6 minus 4.
4.
Very good. 6 minus
6 minus
4.
4, sir.
6 minus 4. Same. 6
Yes.
minus 4. 4 4 equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Now off into that of 6 3
6,
2 2.
3, 2, 2.
Right. You know how to find finally 6 into 2 minus 3 into 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell 12
12
minus
minus 6.
it is 6. 6 by 2 is 3.
Yes, sir.
So this area is 3.
Oh, the total area is 3 times 3.
Yeah. So the total area is 9.
9. Yes, sir.
3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. So triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to 9 units, 9 square units.
Yes, sir.
But in this question, the area of triangle ABC is not asked. What is asked? Then the area of triangle formed by the midpoints of triangle ABC.
Yes, sir.
Don't be confused. Triangle ABC. The answer is not 9 square units, right?
Yes, sir.
Actually, what is asked in the same triangle? ABC. This is D, midpoint D, midpoint E, midpoint F. In other words, the same question may be asked like that. Then find the area of pedal triangle. What do we need? What is exactly we want? The area of triangle DEF is asked.
FAB. Yes.
Yeah, the area of triangle DEF is asked actually. You know, each of these 4 triangles are equal. By joining midpoints, we can see or we can form 4 triangles.
Yes, sir.
Area of 4 triangles are exactly same. So here finally we need one triangle. That means this triangle. The area of total triangle is 9 square units. Area of total triangle is 9 square units. That 9 square units is divided into 4 parts.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is area of this triangle? 9 by?
9 by 3? Oh, 4.
No, 9 by
Okay.
4.
Yes, sir.
If it is the first case, it is 1/3.
Yes, sir.
By joining midpoints, it is 4 parts. So
Yes.
9 by 4 square units is answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Options are not there for this question. It is a worked example 4 in that file, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually, it is not about areas. It is not related to areas actually. But I choose this question to explain is just to give you some knowledge regarding the length of line formed by midpoints. Just imagine the picture in your mind.
Yes, sir.
The midpoints of sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC, right?
Yes, sir.
This is triangle ABC. Any of this ABC. Tell what next? Are you able to write now? Same using same device?
Yes, sir. I'm using the same device.
Yeah, it's not available to you.
Yes, sir.
The previous device is not available to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will yeah. See, AB and AC of triangle ABC are the midpoints of AB. Midpoint of AB is this D. AC is E. Coordinates of D are 3, 5. Coordinates of E are -3, -3. Right? Now join these two lines. What is asked actually now? Side of BC is asked.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any idea how to find the length of side BC? Just find the length of DE first. Do you know how to find?
Distance
Yeah,
formula.
distance formula. The square root of x minus x on a whole square plus y dimension whole square. That is 3 minus of -3 plus 3, 6. 6 square, 36.
36.
Plus 5 plus 3.
3, 8, 64, sir.
64 is equal to 10. You know why? You know how?
Yes, sir. 100 root.
Yeah. DE is 10. Then what is
10.
BC?
2 times 10, 20, sir.
Yeah. How could you know?
Oh, I learned it in geometry class, sir.
Very good. Very good.
The
Yeah.
ratio.
Side is double of the length formed by joining midpoints, right? Because this is the ratio 1:1. Midpoint is nothing but dividing in the ratio 1:1. Right? If this divides 1:3, this divides 1:3. And one more, you know what is first theorem in mathematics? First geometry theorem in mathematics? Basic proportional theorem. BPT.
Oh,
BPT
yes.
is the syllabus in 10th class in state boards in India. It is a famous and very important theorem, basic proportion theorem.
Yes, sir.
This basic proportion theorem is propounded by Thales. Thales is a Greek mathematician. And Thales is supposed to be the first mathematician in the world. That mathematician propounded BPT, basic proportion theorem. It's very interesting. See, if this point divides one side in the ratio 1:3, if the same point, if the another point divides another side, the same ratio, then the line joined by those 2 points is parallel to the third side. Do you know this?
Yes.
Have you ever heard of it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is basic proportion theorem. It is basic proportion theorem. And in this case, it is 2 times. It is 2 times, right? In this case, it is 3 times.
Yes, sir.
What the reason? It's the ratio 1:3.
1:3. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Since it is midpoint, it is 2 times. That is 20, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm not choosing direct and easy questions. I choose somewhat typical questions. That means some challenging questions like this. See, 19th question.
The centroid and 2 vertices of a triangle are 4, -8, -9, 7, and 1, 4. Then the area of the triangle is.
Right. Hi, Esther Rani. Good morning. Welcome to our class. నీకు నేను లింక్ పంపించాను చూసావు కదా 5:30 క్లాస్ లింక్ పంపించాను కదా చూసావు కదమ్మా yeah she's Esther Rani in YouTube from Hyderabad. Yeah, she's very sharp, I think. Yeah, I asked her an idea, an advice for you to get contact with that girl.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, surprisingly yesterday I sent a PDF file to Ritika. While in that process I opened a WhatsApp app and sent file to her.
Yes, sir.
In that WhatsApp web, she noted down the ID and password of Zoom, and immediately she joined. I was surprised. In this generation, students are well aware of technical knowledge. Okay, and I asked you for an advice how to get her to our classes.
Yes, sir.
Right. See, if you have this device, you will involve in the process by doing on the screen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Will you get later?
Yes, sir. I'll get it in a week or something.
Because it's depend upon the amount of learning is how much we involve in that class.
Yes.
Of course, by using our senses. Okay. Whenever that's why teacher asks students questions to get the students involved in the class in the subject, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know this centered of two widths of a triangle are 4 comma minus 8 and minus 9 comma 7 and 1 comma 4.
Yes, sir.
See, what about all those 3 points? Is there any? Can you answer this question? Ma Rani, we question answer చేయగలిగితే చెప్పమ్మా. The first, what about first point? 4 comma
Sir,
minus 8.
the centroid.
It is centroid, right? It is centroid, G.
4
4
comma
comma
negative
minus 8.
8.
And the two bits is
What? Negative 9 comma 7
very good.
and 1 comma 4.
Yes. Actually, what is asked? The area of the triangle is asked. So no. Then the area of the triangle is asked, right?
Yes.
In the first stage, we can find the area of triangle AGB.
Yes, sir.
It is 1/3. It is 1/3. So in the first step, we can find the area of 1/3 of the total area, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's find its first. See. Do you know I have sent you that link also? Zoom link.
For the 5:30 class?
Yeah. Did you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell its area of times.
Half times negative 9.
Oh, what you are taking first point? G or A or B?
So I took A as first
Yeah,
one,
okay. Nice.
B as second one, and third one as G.
Yeah, right. Minus 9, minus 1, minus 10.
Minus 10, minus 9, minus 4,
Minus 4, minus 13.
13.
Now y? 7 minus 4, 3.
Yes, sir.
7 minus of minus 8, 15.
Minus 8 is 15.
Right. Of times
Times
mod of minus 150.
150
Minus 39.
plus 39.
Plus 39.
Yes, sir.
Of times minus 150 plus 39.
Which is gonna be.
Can you tell it is 1111?
Yes, sir. 111.
Negative 111. It is 1111, right?
Yes, sir.
It is triangle ABG. Triangle ABG is half of 1111.
Yes, sir.
But we need ABC, triangle ABC. It is 3 times.
Yes, sir. 3 times.
Area of triangle ABC.
3 times 111.
3 times of times triple 1. It's the answer.
166.5, sir.
How much? Tell again.
166.5.
How could you tell?
Oh, sir, 3 times.
That is 3 by 2. Yeah, 3 by 2. You are strong. You are good in arithmetic. That means calculations.
Oh no, sir. I use the calculator.
Okay. I want to train. I want to train some students. I prepare some students to strong in calculations. In my lifetime, I want any of my students be world champion. I told you about competitions.
Yeah.
Yeah, in this year in Germany, you may also join. You may also participate. Just participate. How far Germany from you? Is it nearer?
No, sir.
No. Yeah. I failed to participate. I try to participate this year or after 2 years. And I wish my students to get world championship. Have you searched about Priyanshi Somani in YouTube.
Oh, yes, sir. You asked me to do it.
Yeah, she is the world champion for the more than a decade. World champion, world number one calculator, human calculator.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Germany is all the way from my place crossing the Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean means
I mean, I have to cross all the way and reach Europe to get into Germany.
okay, okay, yeah, right.
Some 5,146 miles.
Yeah. But the flip side of that fact is media is not
Yeah.
highlighting her.
Yes, sir.
If she would have a cricketer or a shuttle badminton player or something else, she will be well popular like Sani Mirza or some other players.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. It's not entertaining subject. Mathematics is not entertaining subject. It's a mind game only. Yeah.
Yes.
Whenever some reporters approach me to give some shows in their TV channels, the first point they are um, it is not visualized. It is not visual. That means it is not entertaining. That's like that. Uh, Even chess also. Chess gives less importance by media
Oh,
because
yes.
it is not entertain. It does not entertain audience like cricket or something like that.
Yes.
Anyhow, let's do our best to achieve our goals in our life. Yeah, I tried abacus also on Sunday classes, but actually I went to my relative's house in Hyderabad and promised her every Sunday I will teach abacus online. But after that, soon after that, my college connects a Sunday class also.
Oh,
Yeah, from next Sunday we won't have Sunday classes. That's why I'm planning to conduct free online abacus classes to teenage students. That not teenage, yeah, high school students are like that.
yes, sir.
But it is the correct age to learn them. Elementary school age is correct age to teach abacus.
Yes.
If you make them interested in abacus or speed maths, they will show wonders in their life. Yeah, so that Priyanshi Shomani he learned um, abacus and Vedic maths everything right from her age of 3 years.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Okay, see, one interesting point is there that is collinear.
Yes, sir.
Collinear means lying on same line.
It
Very
lying
good.
on.
Yeah, very good, Rani. Yeah. That means we can find, of course, there are some other methods to find the value of K. But in this present lesson, we are meditating on area of triangle, right?
Yeah.
Meditating, the word meditating is not related to, not only for yoga, paying
Yeah.
attention, just simply paying attention, think deeply.
So we can just find the slope of the 3K,
Yeah, I
K,
know.
3, 1.
I expect you answer this question in that way, but
Okay.
I suggest you to use area concept. We can
Okay.
easily find value of k by using slope concept, of course, distance concept also. But to get command over the concept of area, let us use
Yes.
area concept. Area of this triangle is zero, right?
Yes.
Half times that of
K,
but
1, K
yeah,
minus
better to
3K.
take this first point, right? 3k 3k,
Of 3K minus K,
that is 2k.
2K,
Yeah, 3k
3K
minus
minus
3. 3k
3,
minus 3. Rani, can you try this question? Yeah. Now 3k
3K
minus
minus
2k,
2K, K,
3k minus 1,
3K
3k
minus
minus 1.
1.
3k minus 1, right? Is
Yes.
equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do cross multiplication. 2k into 3k, 6k.
6K minus 2K
Yeah, minus 9k plus
minus
3k
9K plus 3K.
is equal to 0.
Yes.
1 by 2. 1 by 2 also becomes 0, right?
Yes, sir.
2 divides, it will multiply there.
Yes.
Yeah. 6k minus 9k plus 3k.
Minus 3K plus 3K cancels out. So it's minus 2K.
Yeah. No term is there.
No, sir.
All are k. K is 0, but 0 is not there. 3K minus K, 3K minus 3. Collinear area 0. Now 3K minus 2K, that is K, 3K minus 1. But now 0 is not there. Okay. No. Yeah, sorry. 2K into 3K, 6K square, you know? 2K into 3K, 6K square minus 2K, 3K into K, 3K square, 3K, 6K square minus 2K. Next, 3K square. It's wrong, totally wrong. See,
Yes, sir. It's 6K. It's
6K
6K
square minus
square
2K
minus 2K
minus
plus 3K square
minus 3K square
minus
plus 3K
3K square minus 3.
plus 3K
So
minus
minus.
of
Oh, yes, sir. Is equals to 0.
right.
Then it
3K
will be
square plus
3K
K.
square plus K equals 0.
Take K common.
3K
K plus 1 is equal to 0, right?
K
Now
equals
K is
1
equal
over
to 0 or 3K plus 1 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
It means K is equal to minus 1 by 3.
Negative 1 over 3. So it's option 2, sir.
K, yeah, option 2. K is equal to 0 is rejected. You know why? If K is equal to 0, yeah, very good, Rani, your answer is right. If K is equal to 0, then the points will be 0, 0 and 0, 0 and 3, 1.
Yes, sir.
2 points are coincide. That means those are not 3 points. Instead of that, those are only 2 points only.
Yes.
That's why the result K is equal to 0 is rejected.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You can try. Area of triangle formed by x1, y1, x2, y2, and 3x2 minus 2x1, 3y2 minus 2y1. You know, surprisingly, all the given 3 points are unknowns.
Yes, sir.
But in option 3 and option 4, known constants are there.
Yes.
Rani, can you answer this question? Try to answer this question.
So is it x1 and y1 square units? Yes.
Yeah, better to take third point as base point, starting point.
Then it's going to be 3x square minus 2x1 minus x1.
Yeah. Half times 3x
times 3x square 3x2
minus 2x1
x1
minus x2
minus x2, sir, isn't it x1?
x2. This is first point. It is second point. Okay, sorry, x1. Next 3x2 minus 2x1 minus x2, right?
Yes, sir.
Next 3y2 minus 2y1 minus y1.
y2 minus 2y1
3y2
minus y1
minus 2y1 minus 2y1. No, minus y1 minus y2. Got it?
Yes, sir. So it will be 3x2 minus x1.
3x2 minus 2x1 minus x1, 3x1.
Oh, yes, sir.
3x2 minus 3x1.
3x2 minus 2x1 minus x2.
No. 2x2 minus 2x1.
Oh.
3x2 minus 2x2, right?
Yes.
Now 3y2, 2y2. 3y2 minus
3y1.
Yes.
3y1.
Right. Now 2y2.
2y2 minus 2y1.
Now we can do cross multiplication, right? Half into 3 common, 2 common, 6 into x2 minus x1 into y2 minus y1. Agree?
Yes, sir.
3 to the 6, 3 common, 3 to the 6. 6 into x2 minus x1 into y2 minus y1. Minus here also 3 common. 6, 3, 2, 6. 6 into x2 minus x1 into y2 minus y1. Can you tell its answer?
What just happens?
Same, both are same, you know?
Yes, sir. So they cancel out to that.
Yeah. Answer is?
Answers have times
Zero
zeros.
square unit. Yeah, right. Very good, Rani. Your answer is right. Answer is 0 square units. It is appreciated to wake up at 4:30 or 5 from Hyderabad. Very good, Rani. You woke up at 5. See, answer is 0, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm telling you one tip, that is whenever two rows or two columns are similar, that means identical, its determinant is 0. Without finding 0, without finding its value, we can write it 0, because see, first column first row is identical to second row.
Yes, sir.
When we take constants common, x2
Yes.
minus x1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1. So
Yeah.
first row is identical to second row. That's why without finding its calculation, its answer is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Rani. Yeah. It's not about the area of triangle, but it is the area of rhombus. You know how to find the area of rhombus?
No, sir.
Area rhombus is nothing but another form of square. All sides are equal, but
Yes,
not all angles 90 degrees.
angles 90.
It is rhombus. A 2 comma minus 3, B 6 comma 5, and 3 consecutive sides. C minus 2 comma 1. Of course, D is not given. Even though we can find the area of rhombus by joining A and C, we can get a triangle. We can find the area of this triangle.
Yes, sir.
After finding this area, it can be doubled. Yeah, calculate area of this triangle. Half times.
Half times.
Yeah, what is B is
Plus
better to take B is first point.
6 plus 2, sir. That's 8. Then 6 minus 2, that's 4.
Yeah, 6 plus 2,
Plus
8.
4, yes.
4,
6
8.
plus 2. Yes, sir.
5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Half times.
Half times 32.
32 minus
32, that's
no,
0.
no. Something went wrong. 6 minus 2, 4. Yeah, 6 plus 5 plus 3, 8. It is 8, it is 4. R2 is very important, right? 32 minus 64.
16, yes, sir. 32 minus 60. Sir, 16, no, sir.
64.
Wait.
8 is 64.
Yes, sir. Then 4 times 4
Sorry.
is 16.
16 minus 64, right?
Yes, sir.
64 minus 48, actually. It is plus 48, right?
Yes, sir.
If
2
you
times
want ABCD, area of triangle ABCD, it is 2 times.
Yes, sir. 2
2
to
times
48.
of 48. Answer is?
48, sir. Option 4.
Option 4, right? Very good. Let's go to that room. That
I
class.
have a quiz. I don't think I can join, sir.
Yeah, you may listen later.
Yes, sir.
By YouTube. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And those are very interesting, higher level questions. It contains
Yes.
higher level questions, previous questions mostly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye. See you. Good
Bye.
night, Tanika. Right.
Have a good day.
Rani, come attend that class. అమ్మ నీకు లింక్ పంపించిన కదా క్లాస్ అటెండ్ కండి అమ్మా ఆ లింక్ యూజ్ చేస్తే క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వమ్మా ఓకేనా